Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach. Here in front of me today is a 2017 Audi A6 Prestige Competition. This is finished in a Moonlight blue metallic. This is a 3-liter supercharged V6 engine. You've got an 8-speed automatic transmission. And as I walk around here, I'm going to show you some imperfections that I see. Start up here on the front bumper. Your standard road rash just below the headlight here. And you'll see a little bit down there on the lip as well, just below the driver front fog light area. So this does have the black optics package. Up here to the driver front wheel, got a little bit of curb rash there on the lip, and a few other little minor imperfections there. These are 20-inch Audi Sport 5 double spoke titanium matte wheels. So this was an S6 wheel option, and basically the competition is the S6 without the twin turbocharged V8 engine. So you get the Sportline badging, you obviously get the S6 wheels, the black optics package, as well as some other interior features that I'll talk to you about here in just a moment. And driver rear wheel, very little imperfections on this one. You'll see on the edge there's just a small little imperfection there, little slight curb rash there. But the rest of the wheel's in really good shape. A few light scratches there on the surface, but nothing too significant. See, the calipers are painted in red, and that is from the factory. And really the only difference between this and your standard A6 Prestige, there's about a 7 horsepower increase on the competition compared to the standard A6. Passenger rear wheel, got a little curb rash there on the top and some scuffing there to the face of the wheel. And last but not least, passenger front wheel. Some more curb rash there on the top of the lip. And you'll see some more there running around the other side of the edge. We'll take you to the interior. This vehicle is not equipped with the cold weather package, so you don't get the heated rear seats, you don't get the heated steering wheel. But what you do get is the diamond stitched leather seats, just like you would on an S-Series vehicle. And if you can't tell, there is contrast stitching there, so it is a little bit of a contrast. Get the Alcantara inserts in the doors. Standard with Bose surround sound system. And correction, this has heated rear seats, so it looks like that was optioned with the car. But one thing's for sure, is there is no heated steering wheel because you have the S Sport steering wheel, flat bottom steering wheel. Same diamond stitch pattern on the front seats. Driver passenger seat are heated. We have top view camera system and rear view camera. Audi MMI navigation is standard with this. And you can see just over 45,000 miles on the odometer. Power sunroof. And you have some tinted windows here. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.